how to fix randomly shuts off on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone. If you want to restart, click power button and volume up button at the time and restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on more connectivity option. After click on more connectivity option, click on reset setting and click on reset setting. Enter your phone pin and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix randomly shuts off on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.